There's honestly no part of me that wants to do this, but we're about to Joey food his chair. Bear seems happy about it. Bear, you ready to Joey food that chair? Yeah?
So bad. It's 227. Just put your dining room chairs in your backyard. Wow, it almost looks like a brand new chair.
Okay, first we're gonna douse it in some vinegar. Because it was in a house that was full of mold. So that's fun for me. I love that. Definitely another situation. That was in the cracks of the chair. Oh my god. Now it's all wet. I think Bear's just feeling like this is ridiculous. He probably wants to go swimming. Bear? Bear? You want to go swimming? I do too.
Still wet, drying. It started raining outside. Nicely done. This chair's old as dirt, so probably from the beginning of the creation of the world. Not too bad, huh, Bear? Bear's like, this thing has smells. Alrighty then. Tell everybody bye. After I finished pressure washing, I accidentally forgot that I had done that and ran over it with the lawnmower, so it got back dirty. Isn't that fun?
What did you do? Did you unmake the bed? You unmade the bed, got you a nice little hole. Bear. Really? That's Momo's bed. That's not Bear's bed. I think he's taking over. So this is why the bed's messed up sometimes. It's a good thing you're cute. I think he's mad because I'm getting dressed. He prefers for me to stay in my pajamas on the couch. You're upset. You're upset that Momo's getting dressed. Momo has to go. I can't just stay here with you all day. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't stay here with you all day. Don't be sad.
Anybody else feeling like they need a little adventure in life? Like, go jump out of an airplane, you know? A perfectly good one that shouldn't be jumped out of. I mean, with a parachute, of course, but I just need to go do something new. I don't want to cut grass. I don't want to do chores. I'm gonna do something fun. I know I just got back from a trip around the whole Southwest, but still, I want to do something fun or new. It doesn't even have to be fun. I could do something work related, but different. I want to do something different. I was thinking about bringing the pressure washer inside and Joey Foo in the shower, but I can just hear Andrew like being like, why did you do that? And then I'll be in trouble. And I don't want to be in trouble, but I can only tell you it's just a matter of time before something like that happens. What are y'all doing today? I pressure washed, cut the grass, did the dishes, did a couple loads of laundry, took a shower. I pinched the back of my leg on the toilet seat, so that's not the first time I've actually done that. I'm confused as to how I keep doing it, but I'm about this close from getting a new toilet seat. So this weekend, me and a friend and our kids, some of our kids, are going to Washington, Louisiana, to a, what do you call it? It's like a antique kind of place. Yeah, it's like an antique place. And they turned a school into a bunch of different rooms of antiques, and honestly, I'm really not sure. I'll have to tell you after I go. And there is a cafe inside of it, so I'm super excited about that. So we're gonna grab lunch. So that'll be something new and different. I crave adventure. I must be going through midlife crisis. I think this is my second one. What you gonna do? Life must go on. But I think that this house really keeps me on my toes, because this house is full of projects consistently. And honestly, I think I would potentially be bored to death if I didn't have projects to do. Although maybe I could actually do projects that like made money or something like that, instead of just constantly having to fix my broke stuff. There's that. I don't know. That's a thought though. Hey, pretty soon I'm going to be refinishing the kitchen table that's in the kitchen. And probably going to put it up for sale. So hopefully it comes out good. Okay, that's one load of towels. See y'all next time.
What you doing? You just chilling? You waiting for me? You waiting for me to sit down? You waiting for Mama to sit down with you? Huh?